National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County in south-central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ogletown to near Cessna to near Bedford to Buffalo Mills to near Lake Gordon to near Long Vale, moving east at 65 miles per hour. This is a line of destructive storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without she heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Bedford, Breezewood, Warfordsburg, Clearville, New Enterprise, Everett, McConnellsburg, Osterburg, Harrisonville, Big Cove Tannery, Crystal Springs, and Waterfall. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 140 to 185. Interstate 99 for mile markers 0 to 14. Seek shelter now inside an interior room or closet on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Prepare immediately for tornado-like wind speeds capable of producing significant damage. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties.